All right. Do you think Nigeria's democracy is still democracy, or has it quietly shifted into something else?
No, it is something else, but we need the correct term to describe it. Because you cannot say it's monarchy, because it is not. You cannot say it's democracy, because it is not. Because one of the most important elements in any democratic governance is election. And what we have in this country now is not election, it's selection. So if in democracy you don't select, and sometimes I don't know what to say, whether to call it selection or affirmation. Like I was speaking with a journalist, that you have to come back to the country so that we work together and see that the right thing is done. So no, that, okay, that during the next election, so no, don't call it election. During the next 2027, affirmation. I said, what are those to be affirmed? I said, those in power today, they will be affirmed and they will continue.
Let's wrap up this way. What are the feelers from the North as we head into 2027?
2027, I don't know why the security agencies are not telling President Tinubu the true position of things. In the entire of the Northwest and Northeast, there's no single state where President Tinubu can secure 20% votes. 20%. Why the places he will secure 15%, close to 20% votes, will be the places where you might get 15 to 20% in Kano because of people like Barau Jibri, Honorable Ilyas Musa Konkoso, and Ganduji's influence. Because these men I have called, they are strongly behind him. Others are just waiting to cash out. The entire of the North, apart from Kano, where I have these three men, they have a lot of supporters. Honorable Ilyas Musa Konkoso is a grassroots politician who is a relative of Rabiu Musa Konkoso. He has always defeated Konkoso in his village. So he's a very strong person, and he's not very known at the national level because, at the national level, you need to know how to speak English very well. And in Kano, if you speak better English, your electoral value decreases. So it's not good English that they need there. So, but at the national, they pick those who can speak good English. So the best politician for now in Kano is Honorable Ilyas Musa Konkoso, followed by Barau Jibri, because Barau Jibri has been empowering people and all of those things. And then Ganduji, being a former governor.
All right. Thank you very much. We have to wrap up here. Thank you very much. Maybe some other times we'll look in details, political developments in the North as it affects to 2027.
Thank you very much for giving
us
us
having you on the program.